Are you a new webmaster? And looking for a niche place in the cyber world? Or simply looking for a great rating among the search results of major search engines like Google, Yahoo, or MSN? In any case, you must indulge in finding keywords. Yes, by finding keywords that are apt and according to your niche market, you will certainly be able to improvise on your search engine ranking. The purpose of searching keywords is to find out the exact phrases that are requested by people in the searches carried in the major search engines. If your website has the relevant information about the most searched terms and keywords, your website would be rated higher by the major search engines. The entire process of improving search engine ranking for a website is a wide process and is called search engine optimization. Finding keywords is one of the most important parts of search engine optimization. To start the keyword search for your website, make a list of the keywords related to your website. You can easily find the keywords by using online keyword services. One popular keyword service provider on the web is WordTracker. Using WordTracker tools and services, all you have to do is to type a keyword and wait for the list to appear on the computer screen. And you have a direct access to hundreds of keywords related to the keyword you have typed in the box. For instance, your website is a website that markets and promotes skin products. Type the word skin, and you will have all the top keywords related to skin. The keywords will be something like skin care, oily skin, skin diseases, skin products, animal skin, and so on. Now you have to select the relevant keywords for your website. You cannot choose animal skin for your site, which caters specifically to the human skin cosmetics and skin care. Yes, you can include the keywords like skin care, skin cream, dry skin, oily skin, and many others. You have a number of keyword services and tools that can help you find the most searched keywords for your website. While you select the keyword with the help of these tools, you will also come to know how many number of times the keyword has been searched on the internet. Let us go back to skin example. Suppose you select dry skin. You can also track the exact number of times dry skin has been searched on the internet. The number can be some thousand times. In case you choose dry skin type, the number of searches can be less. So, you are suggested to select the keyword with a higher search count first. Another tricky method of finding keywords is to keep an eye on your competitors. Look at the meta tags of your competitor's website. The meta tags are a good source of significant keywords. You can also seek help from your customers regarding the keywords they use in their search. Having a weblog page in your website is also helpful in tracking the keywords. Each weblog page has a link which shows the keywords being used to search your page. Once you have the right keywords in hand, you can hit the market with the most relevant and desired information on your website.